Your credit good, you better leverage it, then go get in your bag. You ain't gotta punch a clock, but better get up off your ass. I make 50 in a week, I'ma invest instead of flash. I rich off credit, learn to liquidate, then turned it.
But I can give you a couple hacks to have your way and work your move. First you get 3 for on unsecures and put them on your pro. Then you let them build for a couple months, then order up some more. I'm trying to put you down on knowledge, get some shit they don't want you to know. I'm trying to take you out the hood and take you places they don't want you to go.